Today is May 30th, 2019. There's a bird perched on top of this statue. The second bird I've seen this morning. May 30th, 2019. Rococo Garden, Galaxy Hotel. And you can hear the bird chirping. It's very good to see a bird so patiently staying there for some time. It flew away. There's another tree it's perched on, and this is a Rococo hotel, which is very interesting in the sense that there are statues, and of course there is a bird, and you can see this is Macau. The apartments are there. See the apartments, the high rises, probably 40 stories or 30 stories. More development. This is the Galaxy Macau Hotel, and over 1,000 rooms, 3 towers. Now this is a butterfly-shaped garden, not a garden with butterflies. If you can see the flowers are arranged in a butterfly shape. If you go see from upstairs, one of the views, I saw it from the 21st floor. But at the ground level you can't see much because you can just imagine where are the wings of the butterfly, and it's a slightly drizzling now, and I have to go back. I shall stop now, but these are the flowers